All right, hello everybody. This is Mr. Obleski, and this is 7th grade science. So today what we're going to be doing is setting up the entry task for our splitting water. I have all of the pieces that I need laid out. I have my 9-volt battery. I have my 2 graphite pencils that are going to be in the water. I have my 2 copper leads that are going to connect the batteries to the pencil. I have my beaker full of water, and then over here in this spoon I have salt. So the first thing I am going to do is I'm going to add the salt to my water. All right, I'm going to stir that up. What this is going to do is this is going to create some ions within the water. These ions are going to allow the electricity to pass through the water. All right, after I stir that up, I'm going to let it settle out a second. So in addition to the cardboard, I put my pencils onto a piece of wood to make sure that it was wide enough and it would be supported well in the water. The next part that I'm going to do here is I'm going to adjust it here so you guys can see everything, is I'm going to place my 9-volt battery here. And then I am going to take one lead. I'm going to connect the negative lead to the battery and then to the pencil. All right, next I'm going to take the positive lead. I'm going to connect it to the pencil. And then I'm going to connect it to the battery. All right, oops. Okay, now let's zoom in here and see if we can't see what's going on. At the tip of the pencil, you can start seeing those bubbles. So this is hydrolysis. What are those bubbles? Those are the questions that you're trying to ask. What is happening here? And you'll notice there are bubbles on both sides. Now, if I disconnect the lead from the battery, the process will stop. If I reconnect it, the process will begin again. All right, and again, I will zoom out so you guys can see the whole setup there. All right, I have my battery with my 2 leads connected. We have the pencil, and we have the gases coming off both tips of the pencil.